Mr President, dear High Representative, we commemorate 10th years of the start of the conflict in Syria, the region that became the arena of proxy wars and instability. 12 million Syrians have fled their homes. 5 million became refugees. 500,000 have lost their life. These numbers resonate in our head as a warning that human misery is calling for a solution to this never-ending conflict. I welcome the upcoming 5th Brussels conference, where we will again pledge the assistance to rebuild this country and help its people. Looking at these statistics makes me sad. In light of the recent Pope's visit to Iraq, we have learned that the sad fact that a disproportionately high number of Christians have abandoned these areas, maybe forever. Once again, religious extremism is pressuring minorities to look for refuge. We must acknowledge the lack of a strong tool in our foreign policy that interreligious dialogue can play in creating reconciliation among population. I welcome the Pope's message of brotherhood among religions and the need to offer shelter to the weaker community. But do we have to wait for the mercy of the ones who feel stronger on the ground? When we will finally condition our aid with respect for freedom of belief as well as the other human rights? Food for thought for those working on a solution for reconciliation in the country. Never leave the smaller one out of the equation. Thank you very much.